Hello, this is Bob from ZIQI Compressor Shanghai company. We are professional air compressor system manufacturer and supplier since 2007, located at Shanghai, China. Today, there is one set portable diesel school air compressor ready to ship to Samoa. The portable diesel school air compressor is widely used for construction, road building, drill machine, sandblasting, and so on. Okay, now let me introduce the portable diesel school air compressor for you. As for ZIQI compressor, this is a toolbar. You can adjust the height of the toolbar up and down, and you also can adjust the angle, so it's widely convenient when using. Okay, now let me open the air compressor cabinet to let us see the inside. The door is widely to open and very convenient for to do the maintenance. Okay, this is the diesel engine. The diesel engine is USA Cummins brand, bigger well-known and fuel efficient, quality assurance, and with the ZIQI technology, ZIQI custom-made Gemini technology school air range. It's professional design for the portable diesel school air compressor, heavy duty, reliable, and with 5 to 6 most advanced tooth ratio with higher efficiency. Here is the air filter. Two-stage air filter to make sure more clean air to enter the square orange to compress air, and the compressor control the air inlet and outlet is controlled by the intake valve to realize the unloading and loading to with higher efficiency. And here with a bigger size fuel tank. This is the cooler, a bigger size cooler. It's European standard. Okay, now let me say in this way. You can see here is the nameplate of the diesel engine brand. You can see it's a Cummins brand. And as for the oil tuber, it's Italy manual brand. The service time is 5 times than ordinary and engineering in Italy. And with ZIQI unique connection technology to make sure 100% oil non-leakage. This is the oil filter. And with a bigger size oil air vessel, the oil air vessel equipped with a safety valve and a pressure gauge, oil level mirror, with a 3-stage separated precision to separate the compressed air and the lubrication oil with higher efficiency. And here is a thermistic valve. And this is the air filter for the diesel engine. Okay, if you are interested in the air compressor machine, please feel free to contact us. I will go through any question with you. Okay, goodbye.